Okay guys, so I wanted to highlight to you the fact that many people may not be aware that the black-eyed pea, so this is what you're aware, or this is what you're probably familiar with, the black-eyed pea when it's hard like this. Well, many persons may not be aware that you can actually plant this and grow it, and the pods that you get from it, like the young pods, you could actually use it to cook. Okay, so let me just go outside and show you how the young
Okay
pods.
guys, so I went in my freezer to take out the bag of black-eyed peas in order to wash so I could put it to soak for cooking. But as I watched the black-eyed peas, I said to myself, well, why can't I plant this? So I don't know if it's going to work because this was in the freezer. But I said, hey, let me try that experiment. Let me try growing this black-eyed peas. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to stick these two in the ground here next to this trellis. Actually, this here is a sunflower plant, so this is going to be going straight up. I do have a pepper plant here, but right next to this trellis, because I do believe this beans tend to run, so I'm going to put it next to this trellis here, and let's see what happens. Let's see if it grows. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Just going to make a little hole here. I'll make a little hole here. Okay, I'm going to drop one in, bam, drop the other one in. Let's just cover it up lightly, like so. And let's see if this starts to grow. Alright guys, I'll keep you posted.
But these here guys, these are black-eyed peas plants or cowpeas.
So as you can see, I germinated the black-eyed pea seed, and now these here, the black-eyed pea plants. Okay, it's like almost like a, well, I have it kind of going up here so that it can attach itself like a vine. So this is how the young pod would look. Okay, so you can pick it like this. See that? It's young, right? But because it's young, it's very soft. And so you could now pick it and use it like, you know how you use a green bean. So you would, you can cut it up and cook with it. Now, if I leave this to mature on the plant, it's going to fill out. And if I leave it to get brown, it will get like that seed that I showed you earlier on. But this video here is to show you that the young black-eyed pea pods, you can cook with it. This green thing that you see here is actually young black-eyed peas. So I went to my garden and I noticed I had some young black-eyed peas on my vines. I picked it and I'm adding it to it as well.